The Daily Code Snippet. When dealing with media, we have to consider accessibility. For those with auditory impairments, such as being hard of hearing or deafness, we should be adding captions. Captions can also help those who are viewing our video in a noisy environment or when audio may be disruptive. And for those for whom the language of the video is not their primary language, a text transcript may be helpful for translation. For this, we should understand the track element, an empty element, which can be added to media elements to specify timed text tracks. There are different types of text tracks: subtitles, captions, descriptions, chapters, and metadata. The track element is used in conjunction with a WebVTT file. A WebVTT file format is a way of writing text files that contains the strings of text called cues, along with the metadata, such as the time at which the text should be displayed. The track element is added after all the source elements within an audio or video element. The kind attribute is used to identify what kind of text track it is, for example, subtitle, caption, etc. The source lang attribute identifies the language of the text track, while the label attribute tells the user the language. Here is an example. So as you can see, the track element is added after the last source element, which is a WebM format. The kind attribute is specified as subtitles. The source attribute tells the browser where to find the file, which is a WebVTT file. And the language of the file is in German, and the label is in German. Adding text tracks to your media will also help with SEO, or search engine optimization. Presented by Designers Learn Code.